Ziri say man. Minute one. Bazuka. Bazuka knows style music. Kwa mimi minute one t-shirt later.
Casper beats.
Mimi nini? Producer we.
Bazuka
studios. Taurisa kama ukutya eri. Taurisa sha.
Lo type sound yakasiyana siyana voice chingomixa zvidaro.
Saka titaurire kana song yamakaita yakabudirira yamakati yakaridzwa paredhiyo zvikafaya 1 kana 2.
Akati one day there's a Janita song yakaitwa na Bazuka and Faith Kenji, very successful. Then Nduridzo, Broken Heart, conscious song. It was a very good song.
Although Nduridzo aida kuvharisa YouTube yangu zvewataura zvako but nandimufariri. I'm very sorry. Mubvunze izvo anondiziya. Nduridzo aida kuvharisa YouTube yangu. Imimi saka mimi Bazuka yemimi. Bazuka munogara kuAustralia so ahead.
Yeah, no gara kuAustralia.
You're based in Australia. Yep. Makaenda in Australia.
2001.
2001 makaenda unitichiko. Chikoro.
Australia. Ndoshanda kuAustralia.
All right.
Ministry of Health Australia.
Okay. Amupukute ningi dzechembere. Oh, survival of the fittest. But munoimba zveinyuka. Munoimba music yakaita sei?
Mostly do that jazz. Ndo yanechile chezvo. But vanonzi nakomana etimboimba zvakati chichi ndinomuedzesera futi. Because akatomboimba like sungura, like some sungura tracks. But I was successful when I gift a mule. Yeah, you know, this one you.
Chimboti paya dropera line out.
Samazizi was warrior nyura. Maitsakerera wadi mujitira buda kaini.
Oh, makaita na gift a mule. All right. I tukuiona inomhanya paningi pa YouTube yangu iripo.
Yeah,
irikufamba mushe.
Iri pa ZTV also in the radio yemulizo. Yeah, so I had it.
All right. Saka mimi sa producer.
Yeah.
Muri producer munoita futi ma videos.
Yeah.
Saka titaurire zvamakaita zvakanyatsokora chaizvo.
The latest video is one of the best productions in China so far. The Karinges one. It's Bazuka and Faith Kenji. The Pisa. Then it's the Mangwa who have to be. Then from a previous Ajita, even the one with Gift Amuli, you know, it's a very good video. And this more than the performance here, it's actually something people are liking. So, trying.
Mune YouTube channel on Facebook, zvese munazvo?
Yeah.
Inonzi YouTube channel?
Bazuka Studios.
Spell it.
BAZUKASTUDIOS.
All right. Apa muchinzi Casper beats.
Yeah, Casper.
Munobika futi ngoma.
Tinobika ngoma dzese.
Corridor yakaita kana Eric.
Ndi choreographer anobika ngoma. Ndi producer zvese ndi anoita futi ma videos iye pachezo.
All right.
So he's a jack of all trades.
Saka ukuta ushaisa vanhu mabasa kai.
Azoita nyore kukamba studio.
Oh.
Ndovazoita nyore kwatiri mwa.
Saka apa imimi are you partners kana kuti mumwe anosenzera mumwe?
Ana hapana anosenzera mumwe. Izi ane nhingiri yake Casper beats. Anoshandira.
Ane label yake Casper beats.
We work together. We're just a team like.
All right. Imimi muri independent but you work under Bazuka Studios.
Yeah.
But ane Casper beats yake.
I work under Bazuka Studios.
Right. Kwana Faith Kendi na Primrose vanokwana papa.
They are vanhu vatinoshanda navo vese. Faith Kendi ndiye anorana Maveze studio and like day to day vanhu vanotaura vanhu vaida kudiscuss everything. Ndiye anenge ari muno on daily basis asiri busy like.
Right.
So anenge achingodhila nevanenge vachiuya vanenge vaida kuita something so.
Oh, saka ma bookings and everything.
Yeah, nokuita ma contracts and stuff. Nevanenge vaida kudiscuss about video shooting, want to discuss about photo shooting also.
So vanowanga kutoma photos vanouya futi vachiona fake.
Saka muri located kupi mutaundi muno muguta reHarare?
Kwandogara right now.
Aiwa kwatiri my man.
Alright, you'll find us at Unge House, first floor, north wing, corner first and Jason Moyo. It's just between First Street and Second Street.
Vakandireka number kacho instead akashayemo.
Okay, you contact us on 0717 683 639.
Awita idzokerere futi
0717 683 639.
Saka mimi makati makabva kuAustralia muchangosvika kuno.
Ndakaya kuno ndakati ndatimboona kuti tingamboproduce here zvekupera kwegore.
December atopfuura kapa.
Yeah, holiday yakudarika takudzokera kuUA.
Saka kumuna 2018, what do you expect of you? Na Casper beats or you?
On my part as an artist, not as a studio, we released we worked on a lot of songs. I got my songs. Tinashe song I named Murizo. Song I got the solo beat. And we rumba. He's a Congolese guy. I don't know, so he's working with us in the studio.
But machines were under kutaura kuti ndimurizo aida kufarisa YouTube yangu.
Akamukanda kamuchataura.
Aiyo. Saka ipapo kakuti ndiramba njingopromota munhu aida kundikandira pasi andifungo mongonzwa kuti anodishi. Aiyo anotoziya zero rokuti Ghetto Crown anotoriziya. And he was with Naxo Films. They wanted to shut me down.
Oh yeah,
so I might not put that song.
Yeah, it's true. It's
through because he and the management yake.
It's very true. Yeah. I'm actually
because
the managers. So but it's all good. It's growing up. So
you can say it's all good, but in nigga, this guy is being a pest in my life. I don't like him at all. I don't like him at all. Because good as you can win.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm sure you listen to the interview and you tell him.
I will interview you in 2018 when I go back to Canada. But imi makataura naye while I'm still here muntaura kuti chi chakaitika and what's going on.
It's likely to come to studio kuna asinjeje anogara pano
kazvara kamwana nezuru
ane mwana nezuru takati show yake yede good show mu Iridium Mount Iridium 24/7.
All right,
so we went there, he performed very well.
Saka Casper beats mune beat Christmas up.
The new rhythm Santa Claus. Right now to do pizza place away to make the ratio. And Rapina Matista for one day, mostly my upcoming, my artists are established. Watch out for Bumbeto, Dobaton.
Ndiye futhi mphana yini. Bumbeto ndindakamsimbisa. Oda untaura ndibise interview yandakamita manje. Just because akabuda akabata mbanje.
Oh my God. Okay.
Handisi ndakaisa mbanje pamuromo wake. Muri kuzviona. Saka zvinhu zvakunetsa. But anyways, next year we expect what from you 2018. Tapina mna 2018. What do you expect from Casper Beats?
Well, we've got a lot of projects in line. But my DVD albums, the artists I want to we've got even my audio albums. Right now I can't disclose some of the artists since for the sake of their privacy. But my albums are too big. A couple number of big artists and upcoming artists. We are also trying to work with Panapa who are under us. Very poor put some albums and singles. So watch out for more and better music.
Saka ma upcoming artist munochaja mari yakawanda kana kuti kana vasina mari vanogona kumbokuya uzungu kuti uko mudhara ndeipi?
No, we've got an arrangement yakasiyana of we understand kuti vanhu vatushana environment.
But no one where they openly tell us, you have to be honest about it for one. some of them want to talk about woman is so to know what things will be. Tunawabonga time tuone varukwanisa rezo varukutaura varukwanisa because some people will just come and say I'm a good artist vasati vatombopinda studio vasati vambopractice away muguma saka ukauya ukati let me try ndichichi tikakudzwawo unokupa mukana tine vamwe hoko vakauya ikosvipa ridhimu rakaburukuru ikosvinei but asingatombozivi but takatoona kuti
pane zvazvinhu
vakatoiva
because isidangoti my mind kusenza nemastudios ese I'm trying to reach out mastudios ese andokwanisa because ndenguva yakawanda ndiri muno muZimbabwe saka inini kana wandipa music yako artist asiri ane copyright ndiwo une copyright artist akanditi akatora copyright pamusic yawandipa iwo ndokuti taura kuti ona kahama yangu artist wako music ndiwo wakandipa I'm making you sign my papers nchauya nawo because anchadi kuyingoisa munhu so at random munoizviona sei papa saka titaurirei pekupedzisira kuti pane vanhu vakuda kufarisa here vari kunana Australia newe vari kuZimbabwe ingopidigurirana ipapapa
okay I'm from Australia vanondiziva vese vanongoza
isati kuziva iyo mudhara weisati kuziva
of special mention is my manager, my personal manager, Mr. Casper. He's been working with us very well, and my productions, he's always involved. Wonders with Bazuka Studios. So yeah, and all my guys, Dandaro boys, and everyone else in Australia. My daughter Michelle, Ethan, everyone else. So it's all good. Like one of these years, to become Goma, to go to Zimbabwe.
Kwama dzenyu dziri kumusha. Dziri kurizevha. Ana sekuru nana tete nana mbuya.
My special mission is my mom. Kwanza nifungura mwanzo kwa wali kule. Kwanza kwa chora binti. Right, my mother, she's in Sanyat and my friends are but in the friend, I'm best friend, I'm one of the witness. Unfortunately, he lost his father. I just want to say to him, he arrived here, I think, 2 days ago. So we got Baba to Glenville. So it's bad. The Tashwan also got a chifara, but we couldn't do that because of what happened. So you know what, may his soul rest in peace.
Right, zvinhu zvamunotaura zvinosiririsa Casper busy tipo zvinonaka.
Basically, I just want to thank all the artists we've been working with, and we're hoping to continue working with more new artists, crossing borders, to work with international artists also, but try and raise our talent from here to this city. So you're free to come, guys. We are there to approach us. We see how best we can help each other to end up a next stage in the industry, and family for the support, and everyone else involved in the work here at Bazuka Studios. We just
unogara kupi muZimbabwe?
Inogara Ghetto was an extension.
Was extension?
Yeah.
All right. Well, kwazisaka my friends ako?
Kuna mafia say Peter extension. Yeah.
Kwa mdare unogara kupi kana uri mara?
Kandruno. Maubra.
Kwazisaka mama neighbors ako usikaziva.
Ewa, ndinokwasawe sekuba kuna Lazaro, Jimmy, Joseph, wese ndona omani. Chimuka yetinoti.
Maita bo. Chidzokererai futi zviye kuti munowanikwa papi pacho kustudio kwenyu Casper Beats.
Okay, tunowanika paUngwe House, first floor, that is north wing, corner first and Jaiso Moyo. Or you could, it's just between first and second, close to Pick and Pay Second Street, but no one meter. And you can call us by 0717 683 639. Our Facebook page is Bazuka Records, Twitter Putumnutwana Bazuka Records, and you can even email us bazukastudios@gmail.com.
Alright, atatenda zvikuru.
Sharp.